I'm here representing the Maestros. I just wanted to tell you a little bit more about it because it's kind of hard to believe if you just kind of look at the flyer. It's a musical improvised from the ground up. Well, I'm doing this because I love the feeling of being in a musical. Like when I'm in my own home, I can improvise an entire tune to myself in that comfort. What Jerry Rapp and I have done is we've created a safe space for a repertory cast of musicians and actors to feel that comfort as well, to where we create an entire musical from the ground up. How is this even possible, you might be asking? We do this because we know that we don't know everything. And when we know we don't know everything, we are more available for a new thought. And that new thought comes to us quicker if we approach listening in a way to where, poet Mark Nepo put it this way, he says, to listen is to lean softly with the willingness to be changed by what you hear. So we're doing that continually through the entire show. We might have great ideas, but if someone else comes on with another idea that's different, I have to let go of my idea and say, yes, and. I see one of our cast members has made it here today. Would you like to introduce yourself?
Oh.
You.
Sorry.
Yeah.
I was trying to keep a low profile.
Yeah. Do you need a microphone?
I brought one. I carry it everywhere I go. I'm sorry. How are you, everyone? It's good to see you. It's good to see such amazing smiling faces, too. Like yours. Your amazing smiling faces. That's what. May I?
Oh, please
Thank
do.
you.
Please do.
I'm Billy Scrametta. I am part of the showcase act of the Maestros. We're driving through right now on our world tour. We're from Pahrump originally. Does anybody know where Pahrump is? That's fine. You'll find out. I'm part of the showcase here, and I'm Billy, by the way. We haven't met yet. I'm actually going to be part of the showcase of the Maestro show. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to. Go ahead, continue what you're doing.
Billy, I think I was about to wrap it up. Is there anything you wanted to do here?
No, I just wanted to say hi to everybody.
Yeah.
I try to be unbiased about when I travel. I go to a lot of cities, and I know there's a big football team here, right? And I just wanted to let you know that I'm totally neutral about this. Oh. You were saying?
So let's sing a little tune, or
Yes.
why don't you sing a little tune?
Oh.
And Reverend Sandra, tell us a little bit about something that happened to you this week. Something that you enjoyed.
Something I enjoyed this week?
Yeah.
Well, this is a highlight right here. This is a highlight of my week. We had a reunion with the Unity Urban Ministerial School, virtually all over the world, from everywhere. People were on Zoom. So that was a highlight of the week. And this is the icing on the cake.
The highlight of the week was what?
A reunion.
A reunion.
Mm-hmm. On Zoom, a virtual reunion.
On Zoom with who?
With my alumni and students and faculty with the Urban School.
Yeah. And you were telling us backstage, too, that you're also a pilot. We learned a lot about you.
I tried flying, but I actually just imitate people who fly.
Okay.
Robert, do you know something? Do you know a song around this?
Know what?
Do you know a song about this? A reunion?
Sure, go ahead. Yeah, I think I do. I hope you get the words right.
Sandra went to a reunion. There were a lot of people she hadn't seen. She usually was just at Unity, so this was a place she never been. She turned on Zoom and said, "Hey, I haven't seen you in ages. I love this virtual reality meeting. It means you don't have to turn the pages." She came to the reunion with an open mind. She hadn't seen these people. She thought they got left way behind. But in her past, these people had significant impact. And it was time to get them all together for the second act.
Zoom, I'm so in love with you. Zoom, because of you, I get to stay home in my pajamas. Because of you, Zoom, I get to be bananas. Zoom.
We haven't done that since the 70s.
Mr. Jerry Rapp.
Anyway, we're going to have a fantastic show. My wife is out in the RV still. She makes, the reason she didn't come in is because when she comes in, she makes quite an impression. So she wanted to keep that kind of low key. So she's out there sleeping. She's not a morning person. I'm tired too. But I hope to see you all at our show, December 16th. It's going to be amazing. You're going to have such a great time.
We love to see you.
Thank you, everybody. We love you. Thank you. Zoom. Zoom.
Oh. Well, I was so into the show, I forgot myself. That was totally unexpected, unrehearsed. That was phenomenal. That was phenomenal. I'm definitely going to come to that show. That is amazing. They just make stuff up on the fly. I try to do that, but people leave when I do that. So we'll now begin. And of course, unity, Temple on the Plaza, is where diversity is praised, and peace and harmony are the rewards. I think we proved that today.